People always ask, Santiago, why is it that all the recordings, every house that you're showing us right now, is always located inside of Bird Ranch? And the answer is quite simple. Bird Ranch is where I live. I just moved to San Antonio, and this is the only area that I'm currently familiar with. Now, to change it, I will have new HOAs recordings starting next week. I have made some phone calls. I do have permission from a couple HOAs on this side of town to start recording on their premises. So you guys are gonna start seeing some different views as far as different style of houses and so forth. But for now, I really want to encourage people that are out there in the market to really consider Bird Ranch. We love living here. It's a fantastic location. It's family friendly. 2 basketball courts, 1 half court, 1 full court, 2 swimming pools, 1 more kids friendly. The other one is more adult friendly, where you don't see as many kids hanging around. And you do have 2 playgrounds for the kiddos to play in. Consider this great HOA as a location for your next move for you and your family. And also do understand that the houses are priced anywhere within the mid 250s to high 500s. So great place to live at. I love it. My family loves it. The elementary school is located inside of it, which makes it super safe for kids walking home. It makes it convenient for dropping them off in the mornings. And Bird Ranch is only located about 2 minutes away from the nearest HEB. Also about 10 minutes away from SeaWorld. So check this video out. If you have any questions about Bird Ranch or you're interested in buying a house in this area, give me a call to 915-276-0030, 915-276-0030, Santiago with Epic Realty. And yes, both kids on this video are my own. Thank you guys. Enjoy. For showings or information regarding this property or any other property in the market, or you're simply just interested in selling your house and listing it to me, call Santiago Valle at 915-276-0030 with a Peak Realty. Have a nice day.